Auto International is a company which started in 2001. For the last 22 years, they are offering forged components as well as machine components for the national and international customers. Many of their customers are OEMs. So from 2016, they are at Hannover. At Hannover 2023, they are in hall number 3. And we are having with us Siddharth Mittal and Rohit Gupta here with us. So Siddharth ji, how was your experience here in Hannover Messe?
If I talk about the past years, it was really good, but this time it was a bit cold and the footfall was very less. So we are concerned that we'll be coming next year or not.
See, we are understanding that China plus one policy.
Yes.
And people talk about more going to India, but you are having a very completely different perspective. Hanover is supposed to be an industrial or an engineering or an innovation show. Why so?
I completely agree with you that Hanover is an industrial show, but this time what we have talked with the adjacent stalls also, that the footfall for the industrial people, it was very less as compared to the previous year or the years before. So this time it is more focused on the technology part rather than on industrial part.
So I think this is something definitely we will try to reach this message to the organizers about the feedback what you have given, right? They should also, like we hear a lot about digital technology, metaverse and all those things. Yeah, along with that, the traditional component manufacturing, subcontracting also should have its position. So yeah, I'm understanding there is a little bit of disappointment from you from this exhibition, but altogether if you see as Europe as a market, you are into export. So we are all hearing that India is having a better opportunity. We are a G20 presidency. There are a lot of focus on India. So as a manufacturer, how you see this entire scenario?
I would say it is a vast ground, and I completely agree that China plus one has benefited us. We are supplying our component range in Europe as well in USA, and we are getting very good response, and we think that in the coming years it is a boom for Indian manufacturers.
So what are the major challenges Indian manufacturers face? Otherwise, what are those perceptions global companies have when it comes to sourcing components from India?
The thing is, if we compare it with China, then the raw material prices and the cost of production, it is a bit higher in India as compared to China, because everything is controlled by the government authorities. And in India, we even don't know that who is controlling raw material, and it is the speculation of every day.
So you're telling there should be more controlled environment which should be given to the Indian manufacturers, and also the awareness of the global business to the more to the Indian manufacturers and help us improve our. So that's again a direct feedback coming from a manufacturer who is having these kind of challenges. And the authorities, if they can try to put some steps into it, I think we have a great scope.
That will be a great thing, because it is a open ground and we can score as much as we can.
So basically, you both are second generation entrepreneurs, and your fathers started this company, and you are the one who is going to lead this company ahead. So what do you think Indian companies having the future for tomorrow? Modi ji also talks about, we should take India as the global hub for manufacturing. What do you think that what is the future for Indian manufacturing?
As I told you before, that if the Indian manufacturers want, they can reach to any level in the globe, and we should promote Make in India concept and Make in India products. So it is a great potential in the future if we see, and in the exports it is a proving ground.
Thank you, Rohit ji. Thanks for your time, and I wish you all the very best. I know that you had some disappointment, but I'm sure maybe by tomorrow it will overcome. All the best.